Hello, my name is Liam, and this is my student video number 9. So we're just using this function, x to the third minus 5x plus 8, and then we're doing left Riemann sums, and it's on the interval 0 to 2. So I know since we're using 4 subintervals, it's just going to be 1/2, but you could do 2 minus 0 over 4, and then that's just 1/2. So and then it's left Riemann sum, so it starts at 0 and then just count by 1/2. So all right, and then just plug each one into the thing. So first one, x1 would be 0, so you plug that in, that's 0, that's 0, so it would just be 8. And then x2 is 1/2, so have to plug that in. I would do it in decimals, but it'd be a decimal, so you got 1/2 cubed minus 5 1/2 plus 8. So that would just be 1/8, and then that would be, multiply 5 by that, that's just minus 5/2 plus 8. So then you gotta make everything an 8. So that would be, let's see, if you do that, so that's multiply that by 4, so then you got 20/8, 1/8 minus 20/8, so that'd be negative 19/8. Then you have to add the 8, so plus 8, and that's plus 8/1, so then you have to multiply that by 8, that's 64. So negative 19/8, 64/1, or over 8, and then that's just 64 minus 19, so 45/8. All right, so x of 2 equals 45/8. The next one should be easier because it's just 1. So x of x, so that's just 1. And then the next one, so okay, let's write it over here. 1 minus 5 plus 8, so that would be negative 4 plus 8, that's 4. So it should just be 4. Let me make sure I did my math correctly on that. So yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's right. All right, and then the last one, because we're only doing 4 subintervals, that equal 3/2. So you just have to plug it into this equation. I'll put it up here so that I could actually have room. So 3/2 cubed minus 5, 3/2 plus 8. So this one, you just square both, so that's 20, or cube both, so that's 27/8 minus, that's just 15/2 plus 8, and then you got to make them all the same. So that would be, you got to multiply that by 4. Wait, right? Yeah, 4, and then that would be, so that would be 60/8 minus 27/8. So, all right, let's see. It's just 27 minus 60, negative 33. So we have negative 33/8, and then plus 8/1. So again, that's just negative 33/8 plus 64/8. Just got to add those two together. So got negative 33 plus 64, 31/8. So x of 4 is 31/8. Now all we got to do is add all these together. So let's see. Oh, and then multiply it by half. So let's add them all together first. So let's change everything to over 8. So x of 1 be 8 over 1, which would be 64 over 8. So slash 64 over 8. And then this one would be 4 over 1, which multiply that by 8. So 4 times 8 would be 32. So 32 over 8. Now, they're all positive, so let's just add them up. So you got, I'm going to do it in Desmos so it's easier. So you got 64 plus 45 plus 32 plus 31, 172. So 172 over 8. Divided by 1/2. So, let's see how I do this. Or it's multiplied by 1/2. So, pretty sure you just multiply the bottom part. Let me make sure. So it's 172 over 8, and then just multiply it over 2. So that just be 172 over 16. Let me look up what that is simplified. 172 over 16. Simplify. So 43 over 4. So I guess either of these should be the correct answer, hopefully.